Wow, looks fun! Looking after the babies? Looks tiring. Whoa, looks like something's up. Looks like Massimo had an accident at the tire shop. Oh no! Careful!
What? Hey! Huh?
Something has got to be done! Don't worry, Supertruck is here to help. Nice! Looks tricky. Maybe a transformation is in order. A bulldozer? Awesome! Nice! Uh-oh. Looks like you missed one. Oh no! Do something! The grapple! Awesome! You'll have to try again. Nice! Uh-oh! Phew! Oh, red! Blue! Yellow! Looks like Massimo got some new tires. What do you think, babies? Wow! You have pink and green tires! That's epic!
Wow! Jerry, is that you? You look amazing, all decorated for the Chinese New Year parade. Are you the lead car? Careful, Jerry. You don't want to have an accident. The parade is about to start. Take your place, Jerry. Good luck. Don't go too fast or no one will be able to keep up, Jerry. What's wrong, Jerry? Do you have engine problems? Careful, Billy. Jerry has engine problems. Oh no! We better call Supertruck. Help! Carl! We need you! Jerry is leading the parade today, and he broke down. The whole parade has come to a standstill. Can you help? Great! Let's go! Don't look so grumpy, Billy. Supertruck is here to help. You just have to be patient. Oh boy, they are getting restless. Listen to that honking. What will you transform into, Supertruck? Are you going to remove Jerry from the parade, Supertruck? Cool! Jerry's on the platform. Now he's as tall as a real dragon. Let's get this parade going again. Uh-oh. What's wrong now, Jerry? You see something on the road ahead? What is it, Supertruck? A fallen lamppost? Oh no, that's not good. Look out! Phew, that was close. What are you going to do, Supertruck? Look behind you. They're catching up. This could be very dangerous. Good idea. Try to push it out of the way. It's pretty heavy and you have nothing on your front bumper to move it properly. What are we going to do? All these cars won't be able to stop in time. Think, Supertruck. Of course! The ST3000! What tool will you use to remove that lamppost from the road? Hurry, Supertruck! Oh no! Listen to that honking! Guess who? Why is Billy so grumpy today? You're right. Silly Billy just likes everything to run smoothly. Hooray! You did it, Supertruck, and just in time. Look! Come on, Dragon. Keep this parade moving. And we're back to where we started. What a great parade. Look, Supertruck. Billy is actually smiling. Thanks for saving the day, Supertruck. Let's hear it for Supertruck, everyone. At least your horn still works, Jerry. Happy Chinese New Year, everybody. See you next time. Edna, take your headphones off. There's a fire all around you. The fire is spreading too quickly. You need help. Carl, there's a fire at the park. The city needs your skills. Edna must have hit a pipe. Supertruck, what will you transform into to get rid of these fires?
Maneme, Renato.
A fire truck? Of course! Good job! But there's still plenty more to go! There's something on your left! To the right now!
Renato.
Edna, Supertruck is here to help! Supertruck, the fire has spread around the park!
Maneme, Renato. Michumo.
You're going to use the ST3000? Oh boy, I can't wait to see what it does this time!
Bada boo.
A water tank? Amazing! Wow, it's really working! It's putting out fires too! Oh no! Carl, you have to stop the fire before it gets there! Phew, that was a close one! Wow! Impressive stunt, Marley! Right, I think that's enough fire for one day.
Maneme, Renato.
You want Marley to jump over you? Okay, have fun, guys! It's sports day in Car City! Oh, nice shot, Edna! Ouch! That's gotta hurt! Oh no! Jerry, what's wrong? The ball messed with your wiring? You can't stop! Oh no! Hey guys, nice moves. Can I borrow Carl for a moment? Carl, Jerry is out of control at the park. It looks like he's going to crash. Can you help? What do you think, Supertruck? Right, you'll need something for all terrains. Something for off-road, right? Jerry, Supertruck is here to save you. Supertruck, you have to stop him. How are you gonna stop Jerry? You'll drive in front and put on the brakes? Good idea. That's too fast! Whoa! Supertruck, you better go after him! Jerry! The bridge is up ahead! You can't go that way! What? You can't turn your wheels? Supertruck, do something! Jerry is going to hit the bridge! Supertruck, what are you doing? You're going the wrong way! You're going to use the airbag to catch him on the other side. That just might work! Yes! Jerry, you're okay! But your wheels are still going, right? How can we fix him? Wow! Looks like you're fixed up! I'm glad you're okay! Thanks for saving him, Carl. And thanks for fixing him, Walter. Even if it was an accident. Hey, Jerry. All fixed up? Well, take it easy, guys. Enjoy the rest of Sports Day.